Okay, hi, good morning. Rachel?
This is it.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
All right, so what happened? No keys at all?
My daughter lost the key.
I see, I'm sorry to
It was
hear
the
that.
only key she had.
I
and
see.
We haven't been able to find it.
And when was the last time you started the car?
Friday.
Mechanic-wise, everything should be fine?
Uh-huh.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, should take me about 30 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, once I will be down, should I call you or?
You can call me.
Yeah.
Yeah, because my brother left.
Okay, no problem. So we'll take care of it.
So, do you do Zelle?
Yes, we do that.
Perfect. Yeah.
All right, sounds good. Okay, 2020 Malibu.
Well, my house is that house right there.
Okay,
At
no
the
problem.
end, at the very end.
Okay, I will give you a call once I will
Okay.
be done, okay? All right, 2020 Chevy Malibu. So we are looking for Malibu 2020. First thing we want to do is to plug our programmer to the OBD. Make sure we put the key fob in the slot, which is right here. Once we did it, now we are going to start the programming process. Okay, so we need to make sure that we have a Wi-Fi connection, so we are going to turn on the hotspot. Once we did that, we're going to email for going to Chevrolet we can do manual selection. USA, and we are going to look for Malibu, and which is right here. That's 2020, so we will go by 2017, 2023. That's a smart key. Yes. Going to control unit. We'll need to read the immobilizer password, so we're going to press it. Password reading. It's asking us here to be connected to the network. We got our PIN code, press OK. So the programmer already remembered it, so we don't need to write it, but it's always a good habit to do it. After we did that, we're going to keyless system, add smart key, press the button once, OK. Now it's asking us to put the key in the slot, which we already did. Here is our PIN code. Okay, ignition is off. Okay, so now we need to wait about 12 minutes until it will finish the process, and then we will test the key. So as you see, it's really straightforward. The machine tells you exactly what you need to do. You just need to know how to do it, and that's all. Okay, we are past the 12 minutes. Push the button once. We don't want to add another key. Please switch the ignition off. Press the button for 12 seconds. Release. Press long, press the start button to turn the ignition on. Just did. Switch the ignition off. And depress and hold the brake pedal and start the car. Stop engine, open and close the driver door, remove the smart key from the slot and press lock and unlock. Alright, I think we got it.